Ayun guys, this is it. Day 1 of moving in.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Good morning!
What are you doing?
Sa parking lot. Kasama pa rin namin si Lele kasi hanggang bukas siya walang pasok dahil holiday. Today may I-work pa rin sila. So, happy siya dahil shadow namin siya. Buntot. Happy ka ba, Lele? Bakit?
She likes going to the gym.
Because I'm going to the gym. I'm going to see Ube.
Si Ube yung coach ko. Mga Zoobs. So, kung gusto nyo nga rin palang magpa-coach, you can message him sa Instagram. Lagi ko siyang tinatag. Oh my God, tumama kayo mata ko. And today, mga Zoobs, meron akong taping. So, after ko mag-gym, ihatid na ako ni Andy sa bahay. Maligo. Ay, hindi. Kasama ka pala. Wala palang pasok si Lele. Uwi na kami agad.
Are we gonna eat though?
Yeah, uwi muna tayo. Sundan mo na si Mimi pala.
I mean,
Ulit. So, after mag-gym,
diba? Mimi.
Mimi kain tapos para makapag-ready ako kasi I have 2 o'clock taping. And then you have to go to the house kasi may magge-general cleaning sa
Paano yan? What a shoot. These two.
We'll see what we can do with
See how we go. Go to the gym, Lele?
Done with the gym, mga Zoobs. And ngayon, we are very hungry. But we are gonna get Mimi naman. So, ibahin naman namin ngayon. Sa UP Town kami kakain. Pero sa Fat Seed pa rin kasi nandun yung mga healthy na pagkain for us.
Oh, we're going Fat Seed pala.
Oo, diba?
After we get Mimi.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we'll eat. And then after we eat, I'm going taping. And Daddy needs to shoot some general cleaning later.
Yeah, I should have both pala. For the vlog and for the...
Yep.
For the reels.
And my mom is coming again today. Bukas rest day siya. Kasi nandito naman ako bukas.
Is she coming to lunch?
Hindi eh. Ngayon nga lang siya nag-yes. Kasi sabi ko kahapon hindi na. Tapos biglang pupunta pala siya. Kasi yung call time ko na move. So, kailangan kasi may magbabantay sa mga bata. 2 o'clock nga. Akala ko kasi gabi pa, diba? Kaya hindi natin siya sinabihan na kailangan natin siya. Eh, kapag sinut mo yung cleaning with the kids, parang wala kang matatapos. Kaya kailangan nandito siya. Buti wala siyang lakad. Ayun, tsaka hindi naman din kalayuan na. Sabi niya, 1 hour, kayang-kaya niya punta na dito.
Good afternoon, mga Zoobs. So I'm just getting here to the village and I need to check out the house because we have some cleaners coming in, so you'll see who they are in a minute. But they're coming here to clean up the 2nd floor because most of the 2nd floor is finished now. We're hoping that the cabinets are also finished. We went there this morning. They were doing some finishing touches. We just need the cleaners to come in and syempre punas yung mga cabinets, tapos linis yung toilet, and we want them to steam the beds and the new chair that we just got. So yeah, you'll see a little bit. We won't show too much because syempre if we show you too much then it gives away the house before the empty house tour. But yeah, we will show you guys the bits and pieces naman, and we're actually looking forward to this. It was actually scheduled for I think Friday last week, but there was a few things that we needed to adjust, and so we had to adjust the time as well. So today is, what is today? Don't even remember. Tuesday now. Reason why my mind is like a bit frazzled at the moment because I woke up this morning at 6:40 Usually I do get up 5:45 for Aaliyah, but since she doesn't have school, we've been going to bed a little bit later. So yeah, going to bed later, but then we wake up 6:40, and then Mimi's not sleeping very well the last 2 nights. Not sure why, but it's been affecting our sleep and our energy levels as well as our focus. So yun lang. Anyway, I'm here by myself because Diana has taping and I believe she's already there. So let's go check it out.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot
Mga Zoobs, nasa taping
Bigyan
na
naman
ako.
yung sa pulis sa may t-shirt ha. Di ba magaling ha?
Si Dolor. Hi sis.
Ito doon.
Oh my gosh!
Magkasama kami ni Dolor today sa
Oh my
taping.
gosh, oh my gosh.
May makeup na si Maying. So ang look ni Maying, hindi na baliw.
Hindi na ba yun?
Nakalaya na si Maying sa pagkabaliw. Nasa taping na ako at yung mga bata ay na kay Andy na. I believe na sa mami ko pala. Kasi may inaasikaso si Andy dun sa ginagawang balower. So, ayan. BRB guys. Dalawang eksena dito with the lore. Tapos pupunta na tayo sa main unit.
Yes! Kambal sa uma. Charot.
Ikaw yung una.
Grabe naman.
Sino pala?
Parehas.
Wow.
Ang payat ko dito, no?
Siyempre, nakatakip ako.
Ay, hindi talaga. It's just that I'm so payat talaga.
Wow.
Naglalaro naman siya, oh. Ang bango ko naman. Sino ka today?
Si Maying, white lady.
The Ferris Dam.
Ano?
Ferris Dam.
Ano ko sa'yo, Kurt?
So, anong masasabi mo sa malalapit na matatapos ang iyong bahay?
Lilipat na kami bukas. Buti na lang, wala akong taping.
Ano yung masasabi? Are you happy?
Very much excited.
Oh, that's nice.
Tapos na yung hotel life ko.
What is your thought about 40 years old? Charot!
Yung ko sa'yo. 30 lang, hello.
Oo, 30 years old. Anong thoughts mo? Anong mga
Marami akong birthday blues.
blues lang? Wala kang like, anong pinapangako pagdating ng ganong age? Ano naman hindi mo
Pinapangako ko
gagawin?
na mabibigyan ako ng regalo ni Curtis. Sa 40th. Pinapangako ko yan.
Ay,
Tama ba?
hindi yun.
Ay,
Dapat
di ba
yung
yun?
gusto mo sa sarili mo. Like, halimbawa, hindi na ako maggaganito, ganyan. Yung mga, ano yung sa sarili mo? Kasi
Mas
diba,
healthier
your
life.
a healthier life.
Yes.
And
Kasi
then,
syempre, that's really the wealth.
and then,
Yun lang.
yun lang. Ang boring
I'm very,
naman.
ano
Nakakainis.
I'm very happy with myself. Wow.
More self-love pa lang gusto.
I have lots of self-love. Hindi ako nagkulang sa sarili ko.
How much do you love yourself?
More than 100%.
Oh, that's nice.
I know, right?
Ba't pa yung mga birthday blues ka? Diba? Life begins at 40. Ganyan, it starts gano'n.
Maybe that's why.
Oh. Tanda mo na pala, sis. Pero hindi naman halata.
Makasintanda tayo.
Uy, hindi! Hindi, ah.
30, lalayo pa ba ako?
30, ano lang ako, 30 lang ako. 10 talaga.
10 ka lang?
33?
53 ka lang?
Oo, promise, swear to God.
Magta-34?
Magta-33, 32 lang ako talaga. Mukha ba ako matanda?
Oo nga, naalala ko yung magta-30 ka, umiiyak-iyak ka pa sa live.
Totoo ba?
Oo,
I
ate-ate.
forgot. Pero maarte kasi talaga.
Sa live natin.
Oh, mas mahaba yung content mo today, no? Kasi nakikita ko parang last time, ang liit nung, parang ang bilis ng vlog niya. Hindi ba kami nag-work?
Sobrang busy. Hindi ka kasi nag-work.
Nag-work ako, nilag ko na nga yung sarili ko, di ba? Sabi ko, ay, naisama yung humaba. Sabi ko.
Haba mo naman.
Siyempre, ang liit kaya. How many minutes? Tama na. Magagalit Sir Andy, mahirapan mag-edit.
Tapos natin yung 3.
Sayaw. Sayaw.
Alright, so as it turns out, this is day 1 of moving in. It wasn't part of the plan today, but we are bringing in some of the IKEA stuff that we brought last week or the week before. So I got 2 bags here. I'm going to bring it into the house, and then I'm going to go back and forth from the condo to bring a bunch of stuff that we can lock in the bedrooms now. So as I said, guys, that's day 1 of moving in. I'm going to go back and forth to the condo now and pick up some stuff because Mummy Eileen is at the house, so we have a bunch of stuff that is still there in the, not the house, sorry, the condo. Mummy Eileen is at the condo with the kids, and there's a bunch of stuff there, so I'm gonna go pick that up and then I'm gonna drop it off. And I don't know how many times I'm gonna do that because the cleaners will be there until I think 5:30, tapos yung iba mga 6 p.m. So yeah, I'll just try to get a few rounds done and then go from there. But it's very, very hot. I'm full of sweat, so I thought I might as well keep going because I'm full of sweat already. And then we'll see. I got to bring the kids their dinner as well because they're all getting hungry and restless. Alright guys, this is batch 1. Or batch 2 actually.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to
vlog takeover muna habang in-interview nanay ko. So mamang galing naman sa pagsagot ng mga katanungan.
Siyempre inaabangan na.
Wow, ganda ng nanay ko, no?
Start na po ulit ang taping at ito po ang ating first tape. Kaka-block lang sa akin yung galit.
At the cemetery. Ano katakot?
Pagkikita. Yeah, kasi pagkikita yung dalawa na eh. Okay, palibos tayo.